Hi, and congratulations on the purchase of your new Ava. This is a small Ava, but you may have purchased a large Ava. Same rules apply. So when you pull it out of your box, it will look like this. I'm having it hanging so we can actually video this for you, but you're welcome to do it on a table. Just lay a cloth down. So you basically are just going to make sure you hold on to the bottom, and you can just go around and unscrew each of these screws. I normally try and do them a bit at a time so that it doesn't fall off on one side. And then eventually the bottom will just drop away into your hand. As you can see, I'm just going slowly, and you can see it just drop away. So we've packed it with bubble in to protect it while it's being shipped. So you can just place that bubble away. And if you just put this glass piece aside for the time being, you will have also received 4 globes with your Ava. You'll probably receive a few extras. We like to just put a few extras in case you need them. But you just reach in and screw those globes in like so. Again, your electrician should always be able to do this for you. But just in case you have any questions, it's always good to see it done. We'll just put 3 in for the purposes of this little video. And then we grab our bottom again. Obviously we don't need the plastic anymore. Pop this back on. You can give it a clean if you like before you put it in. It will have all been cleaned, but you know, people touching it, you often get other marks on it. And then you just want to make sure that this rim is all the way into the glass. And then same as reverse, I always just put a few, turn the screws a few in, and then just do them as I go so that they're not, one side's not being screwed in and held there by a screw. And I always take my hand away very carefully just in case I haven't done it properly. But that looks all nice and snug. And there you go, there's your Ava. Thanks for shopping at the Dancing Pixie.